Welcome to the world of passive income and community service. Today, we're exploring the exciting opportunity of owning an ice and water vending machine business. Imagine a steady stream of revenue, all while providing an essential service to your neighborhood. This venture offers both financial freedom and a chance to make a real difference. But where do you begin? You need to identify high-demand locations where people truly need access to purified ice and water. Think about areas with limited access to clean drinking water or places with frequent outdoor activities. Consider parks, community centers, apartment complexes, or even busy commercial zones. Next, understanding local regulations and permits is paramount. Each city and county will have specific requirements for vending machine operations. This might include health department approvals, business licenses, and zoning permits. Failing to comply can lead to costly delays or even legal issues, so do your homework diligently. Then, there's the machine itself. The market offers various types, each with its own advantages. You might encounter self-contained units, which are all-in-one solutions, or perhaps modular systems, allowing for greater customization and expansion. This isn't just a formality, it's your roadmap to success. Your plan should meticulously detail projected costs. Consider the machine acquisition cost, which can vary widely based on type and features. Don't forget installation expenses, including plumbing and electrical work. Initial inventory, like filters and sanitizing agents, also needs to be factored in. Beyond costs, your business plan must outline potential revenue streams. How will you price your ice and water? What payment methods will you accept? Understanding your target customer's willingness to pay is key. The benefits of providing a convenient and affordable source of purified ice and water are immense. You're not just selling a product, you're offering a solution. In many areas, access to clean, affordable water is a significant concern. Your machine can fill that void, becoming a vital resource for the community. Imagine the relief of a parent needing purified water for their child, or a construction worker seeking refreshing ice on a hot day. This business model offers both financial rewards and a sense of purpose. You're preparing for a venture that can truly thrive. The journey to becoming an ice and water vending entrepreneur begins here. Embrace the opportunity to provide a valuable service and build a business that truly makes a difference. Start by mapping out your local community's needs. Identify those underserved areas where your machine will be a blessing. Then, dive into the specifics of permits and regulations. Don't let bureaucracy deter you. It's a necessary step. Finally, envision the perfect machine for your chosen location, one that meets both your business goals and customer demands. The world of ice and water vending awaits your entrepreneurial spirit. Prepare to make a splash in your local market and enjoy the rewards of a well-planned, impactful business. Your future in passive income starts now. Having laid the groundwork with a solid business plan and market research, I think it's now time to transform your vision into a tangible asset. The next crucial step in establishing your ice and water vending machine business. This isn't merely about finding an empty patch of land, it's about strategic placement that maximizes visibility and accessibility. Consider locations with high foot traffic or consistent vehicle flow, such as busy shopping centers, apartment complexes, or community parks. Visibility from main roads is paramount, ensuring potential customers easily spot your machine. Accessibility is equally vital. There should be ample parking nearby, and the machine itself should be easily reachable for all users including those with disabilities. Your chosen site must have readily available water and electrical connections. A reliable water source is essential for producing purified ice and water, while a stable power supply ensures continuous operation and refrigeration. Without these fundamental utilities, even the most prime location is unsuitable. Once the ideal location is secured, the excitement builds with machine delivery and installation. This phase typically involves specialized transport and professional technicians. They will carefully maneuver the vending unit into its designated spot, often requiring heavy-duty equipment to ensure precise placement. The installation process itself is critical, demanding precision in plumbing and electrical work. Proper plumbing ensures a clean, uncontaminated water supply flows into the machine, preventing leaks and maintaining water purity standards. This is crucial for the health and safety of your customers. Electrical connections must be secure and up to code, safeguarding against power fluctuations and ensuring the machine's complex systems function flawlessly. A faulty connection here could lead to costly downtime or even safety hazards, jeopardizing your investment and customer trust. With the physical setup complete, the focus shifts to preparing your machine for its grand opening. Initial stocking involves ensuring the internal ice bins are full and the water purification system is primed and ready. This includes flushing the system and checking all filters. This is also the time to implement basic maintenance routines. Regular filter changes, sanitation of dispensing nozzles, and checking for any blockages are crucial for maintaining water purity and ice quality. These routines, though simple, are the backbone of a reliable operation and directly impact customer satisfaction and repeat business. Finally, integrating a robust payment system is essential. Modern machines often support multiple payment options, including cash, credit, debit cards, and mobile payments. Ensure your chosen system is secure, reliable, and user-friendly, catering to the diverse preferences of your customer base. A seamless transaction experience is vital for customer retention. Testing the payment system thoroughly before launch is paramount to avoid any initial hiccups or frustrated customers. Run several test transactions with different payment methods. By meticulously navigating these steps from strategic site selection to professional installation and initial setup, you successfully transition from the conceptual phase to a fully functional business. Each stage requires careful attention to detail and a proactive approach. Your ice and water vending machine is now poised to serve the community, offering convenience and quality. This comprehensive preparation ensures a smooth and successful launch, setting the stage for long-term profitability. You've built a foundation for a thriving, automated enterprise. The journey from idea to operational machine is complete.